What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I kind of scared myself. So it's another hot sunny day in LA, but I'm not the weatherman, so this is what we're doing on the car today. I'm hoping to get to the spark plugs. Here's the story with the spark plugs. So I ordered I actually ordered 4 spark plugs from the same company and everything. They ended up sending me 3 spark plugs of the same and one that doesn't fit completely on my car. So I tried contacting the company, and what happens, like, they never answer to me, and I'm not gonna be waiting on them to like reply to me and, you know, send me a new one. So I just bought an extra one, so now I have all 4, and I'm gonna try and get to it today. But the main thing that I'm like mostly trying to get to it is the TPMS sensors. Like I told you in like a few videos ago that I wanted to do that before AD. I didn't have the time to go. Then one of the customers that comes to the shop a lot, he works at a place that they do like tires and stuff. That's where I'm gonna be heading right now. I'm also, so at AD I also bought some lug nuts. I don't think I've shown it to you guys yet, but they're red tuner lug nuts and they actually look pretty nice. So I'm hoping that it accents the rest of the wheel in the car. But there's a lot coming. I'm not gonna be doing too much today just because it's super hot, and it's like around, like, what's it right now, 98, and I'm wait, there it goes, 98. And that's the sensor thing. That's the one that we're gonna go and try. And I'm really sweating right now. I forgot my sunglasses at work too. So let's get to the shop and see how it goes. So you can see I went to get my glasses. Quick update though, I stopped on like a random street just to talk to you guys a little bit. So I went to already 3 shops. 2 were closed already, and then the third one was charging way too much per wheel, and then on top of that they're gonna charge way more to program the TPMS sensors to the car. Now the other 2, I know for sure that they're not cheap, but they do good work. So I'm guessing I'm just gonna have to wait until next weekend, see if I can go earlier than what I was planning to go on today. Alright guys, so as you can see, the other shop and the last shop that I was gonna come to, that I know that they do really good work and they're not super expensive, so they're already closed, which means that I'm just gonna have to wait. So what we're gonna do is just try to install the spark plugs and then just wait until next week, until, you know, we have some time. Hopefully next week is gonna be a lot more cooler as well. So I mean, the only thing that I can install, that I know that I can install today, will be the lug nuts and the spark plugs, which only leaves us with the TPMS sensors later on. So I mean, it's not that bad. Oh, and this is the lug nuts that I was telling you. So you can see it's red and they're pretty good. I have the jack already, the wheel, and we're gonna go ahead and jack this up. Update guys, I'm actually struggling right now. So here, let me update you on what's going on. Alright, so this is the adapter I bought. It fits. This is the adapter that comes with my the kit for all the bolts and like the wrenches and stuff like that. This is an adapter that fits on top of this. Well, basically an extender that fits on this. This one on the other part doesn't fit on this. As you can see, there's 2 different. This one, I think it's 5x8, and I forgot this one, I think it's like, yeah, I'm not even gonna try and guess it, but this one's smaller than this. So what I'm struggling with is this. It's a super nice combo. As you can see, there's a lot of like area that I cover, but this maxes out at whatever like the tube for the spark plug. And so I would put a ratchet on top of this, but when I do, it doesn't turn. So there's no way for me to take it out. Now, I've looked everywhere for something that I can attach to this to kind of like leverage it out, so I can just kind of like break it loose and just spin it with this. I still can't find anything. So if I don't find it today, this is gonna be busted. At least we finished the lug nuts, but I'm still gonna be looking. I'm still gonna try, and I'm gonna, yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wait. And I mean, as much as I want to change the spark plugs right now, they're still fine. There's nothing wrong with them and stuff. So I'll try to change it for the next video. So I'm gonna close this one here. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then if you're enjoying the videos, let me know what else I can do to the car. Give me some ideas, because I'm kind of running out of them. But interior within the vinyl wrap, with the lug nuts, what else have we done to the car? Well, for what is on camera, I haven't done much. What I've done is basically just added the window size stuff for like the sun and the rain. Change the rims, lower the car. We still need to do the rear wing. So as you can see, this is really faded and you can hear it. Same with the car itself. You can hear like scraping and stuff. So we have to clay bar it. So basically we have to do good detailing on the car. We have to clay bar. We have to pretty much put a clear coat on top of whatever there's no clear coat on, which I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna go ahead and sand that down to what I think will be smooth, and then clear coat it. I've seen a few other videos on how to clear coat, so I'm gonna try and do that, and I'm still sweating. So I'm gonna close down today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.